Great job from Pooley. He had an excellent tip in. That's the entry. Then he really kept the thing on the loud pedal all the way. It sounded like it. Ended up having good. And he did what he came here to Cairns to do. And that was smash tires. Now, let me